We all know you don't want to end up like these bozos on the struggle bus. And you're probably thinking, I'd rather be on the struggle bus than have to study for my algebra test. But with our new invention, the thinking cap, you no longer have to study for your algebra test. Our thinking cap instantly downloads all the human knowledge onto your brain as soon as you put it on. Here is how it effortlessly solves and teaches you the 4 steps on how to divide polynomials. Tired of staring at your algebra homework for hours, shedding tears on the bathroom floor? Well, with our thinking cap, you don't have to suffer from that pain anymore. You just put it on and bam, you instantly know everything. Let's test it out on a classic math nightmare, dividing polynomials. I see it perfectly. We want to divide x squared plus 7x plus 12 by x plus 3. Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1, you want to see how close you can get x plus 3 to x squared plus 7x. By multiplying x plus 3 by x, you're going to get the closest you can get, which is x squared plus 3x. Now before you go rushing into things, trying to get it over with, you don't want to miss the most important step. In order to be able to put x squared plus 3x over with x squared plus 7x, you must multiply it by -1. This gives you negative x squared minus 3x. Now that you found your new product, you're going to subtract it from x squared plus 7x. This gives you x. Next, you're going to bring down your positive 12. Now, you just have to repeat. This time, we're going to see how close we can get x plus 3 to 4x plus 12. To get as close as possible, you need to multiply x plus 3 by 4. This gives you 4x plus 12. Now that we found our first product, we need to find our second one by multiplying 4x plus 12 by -1. This gives you negative 4x minus 12. Now we can finally substitute it into our equation. After subtracting, you should get 0. This means you have no remainder. Now we know our answer is x plus 4. Ta-da! Now see if you can solve this easy equation on your own. PEMDAS reference. Oh my god. Now that you've had time to solve this on your own, let's work it out together. First, you want to see how close you can get x plus 3 to 3x plus 9. To do this, you're going to multiply x plus 3 by 3. This will give you 3x plus 9. But wait, you can't go putting it into your equation yet. First, you have to get your second product by multiplying it by -1. This will give you negative 3x minus 9. Now you can substitute it into your equation. The answer you should get as your remainder is 0. Now we know that our answer is 3. If you didn't get 3 as your answer, then you really need to buy our thinking cap. Now let's try a harder equation. Now see if you can solve this harder equation on your own. Another PEMDAS reference. Now that you've solved this harder equation on your own, let's work it out together. First, you're going to want to see how close you can get x plus 2 to 2x squared plus 7x. To do this, you're going to multiply x plus 2 by 2x. This will give you 2x squared plus 4x. Now before you can substitute this into your equation, you want to multiply it by -1. This will give you negative 2x squared minus 4x. Now, and only now, can you substitute it into our equation. After subtracting, you should get 3x. Now, you should bring your positive 6 down. And the next step is to figure out how close you can get x plus 2 to 3x plus 6. In order to do this, you must multiply x plus 2 by 3. This will give you 3x plus 6. But remember, you must multiply it by -1. This will give you negative 3x minus 6. Now you can finally substitute this into your equation. After substituting it in, you should get a remainder of 0, which means your answer is 2x plus 3. Did you get that right? If not, you need to buy our thinking cap. Boom, you just solved 3 equations. Now, if you want to be able to solve more equations just as quick, then you should buy our thinking cap at 432-249 1482. I repeat, 432-249 1482. Buy it now! In order to get, what? That's not how you do it. What? Okay. This is so stressful. It's just hard. I'm gonna cry. It's so difficult. Nope. How do I say this? I hate math. Oh crap. Who am I just sold? Whoops. No, I need to erase the board. I'm gonna cry. I just keep messing up. It's just so hard. I'm so done. Oh my God. I've never been more tortured in my life. Math, it's just bad for you. It's bad for the brain. God, I hate math. I didn't do that. Oh, this is so hard. Oh, okay. This is not even the same math I'm supposed to be doing. To do this, to do this, to do this, to do this. Are we serious? Are we serious? Are we so serious? Are we for real? Are we serious? I'm going to cry myself to sleep tonight. Oh my God. I'm so sad. I'm crying, bro. This is so hard. I'm so done. Mr. C, I'm so done with this video. I'm actually so upset right now. It's so hard. This is so upsetting, Mr. C. I'm so sad. My goodness. No. First, nope. First.
Hello? But he's a big old forehead.